Okay, good morning guys. My name is Aditi Gupta. I'm going to be your TA for Physics 102 lab. I'll just write down my email address. Okay. So this lab is going to be held alternate weeks at this time every alternate week. You'll be covering the theory part of this course, obviously, in your theory classes, and you'll be studying the applications of all of that theory in this lab, where we'll be performing experiments based on all those topics. As far as the grading is concerned, you'll have 20 points for a pre-lab that you submit every week. I'm sure all of you have a lab manual for this course. So before you turn up for every lab, you're supposed to read the experiment that we're going to be performing. And based on that, you'll be filling out the answers for the pre-lab that are attached in your manual. So at the beginning of every lab, I'll be collecting the pre-labs, and they'll be for 20 points. Again, I suggest that each of you works on it individually, because trust me, when you guys work in groups and have the same wrong answers, the TA always knows. So you'll be losing points if you copy. There'll be 80 points for the experiment that you're actually performing. Again, in your lab manual, there are sheets which have tables for noting down your readings, making the calculations, and the results. So out of those 80 points, there are some points reserved for the participation in the lab work. We usually work in groups of 3. I usually give full points to everybody who's paying attention and working. There are times when people just go away texting and not pay attention to what is happening. In such a case, I would be cutting some points for that. As we are dealing with lab equipment here, I think everybody has to be alert. We don't want things breaking because this is expensive equipment. We don't want things breaking. We don't want short circuits. Also, you're supposed to read the lab manual thoroughly. There are times when, for certain experiments, you're supposed to wear protective goggles or be specifically careful about certain things. So it would be good if you follow all of those instructions. As far as your grades being put up is concerned, they'll be put up every week on Blackboard Learn. So before you guys turn up for the next lab, you will already have your grades ready on Blackboard Learn. I do not have office hours, but you can email me if you have any questions. And that's about it.